Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an exciting spot trade I'm opening right now, AIA. We've just hit a strong demand zone, and I am buying some here. This is a very strong technical area, sitting at the 50% retracement from the top and consolidating right at the lower golden pocket level. For those who don't know, the golden pocket is the area between the 61.8% and 65% Fibonacci retracement levels, which is considered a high probability zone for a trend reversal. I won't be surprised to see another 20+% pump from this area. However, there is a warning. This is a high volatility trade, so manage your risk if you follow along. The bull setup may be validated as long as the price stays above $1.200. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.